The second report that is under my consideration is the Bandura Nala diversion scheme or lift scheme. This is a modified pre-feasibility report, volume 1, which is estimated to cost rupees 577.20 crores at 2020-21 price level. This is about 130 pages, 115 pages report, and in this a glimpse of this report and the scheme of chapterization is offered. This is similar to what is shown in the previous video on Kalasa diversion scheme. That chapter 1 is introduction, then chapter 2 is general planning, then chapter 3 is interstate or international aspects, chapter 4 is about survey and investigations, then chapter 5 is hydrology, chapter 6 is irrigation planning. They are denying that the diverted water will be used for irrigation. Chapter 7 is planning and other intended benefits. Chapter 8 deals with environment, ecology and forest aspects of the project. Chapter 9 is basically of engineering nature, where they give design of lift scheme. Chapter 10 is cost estimates, and chapter 11 is conclusion. Then there is a list of annexures, list of volumes, list of tables, list of figures. Then there is a checklist as per a CWC guideline, which is voluminous, and I will not go into details of these in this video. The reason is that it needs lot of elaboration, and glimpses of these and salient aspects of these will be given in subsequent videos. So in the previous video I have given a summary of the Kalasa diversion scheme detailed project report, and in this video it is Bandura Nala, this diversion scheme. So there are two diversion schemes on which they have got an OC from Central Water Commission, which has created the present issue and discourse in state of Goa, where everybody is now worked up genuinely because of the fear and anxiety that these NOCs have created on basis of both these reports. And that's why as scientists it is our duty, it is my duty to go scientifically and objectively through these reports without passing any judgment at this stage, and leave it to the civil society and knowledgeable people to understand what is at stake in Karnataka and Goa, because we haven't seen detailed project reports of the plans of Maharashtra government. Right now our target is government of Karnataka and Karnataka Nirvari Nigam Limited, and if they have outsourced and done a professional job instead of sentimentalism and emotionalism, which may be the driving force to energize the society, rational, precise scientific discourse is required. Because as I was going through both these reports, as scientist I could see a lot of merit in what they have prepared, and what we lack. The data in Goa is dispersed across hundreds of different sources, and that's why it is important at this stage to understand what are the gaps that have been left and what are the weaknesses in both these detailed project reports. And it is not only ecological or environmental argument which is important at this stage, but the feasibility of this whole diversion scheme, and also the defense that Karnataka has advocated in both the diversion scheme with focus on augmentation of water supply to Hubli Dharwad twin cities, which are benefited from central government's smart city scheme. And it is quite intriguing that we'll see later that they have not discussed any type of other alternatives except diverting the waters of Mahadayi to Renuka Sagar reservoir of Malaprabha Dam, and then subsequently the plan which they discuss, including projected demand till 2051, etc., of Hubli, Dharwad, and Kundagol town on the way, is based on their linear model of diversion. That is, they think that the diversion is the only solution for mitigating the drinking water supply of Kundagol town and Hubli Dharwad area. So, to what extent we can buy this argument, that we shall see when we go systematically through both these reports in subsequent videos.